Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi connected but internet not working on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to fix this issue, just open settings, then tap on connections. From here, just tap on more connection settings, then tap on VPN. Now if there is any VPN connected to your smartphone, just disable it from here. Just tap on the gear icon over here, then tap on delete VPN profile and select delete. Then go back and tap on private DNS. Now if you have enabled private DNS on your smartphone, just select off, then tap on save. Now after you disable VPN and private DNS on your Samsung phone, then go back and in the main settings page, just tap on general management. Then tap on date and time. Now, in many cases, this problem appears when the date and time on your device are incorrect. To fix this issue, just tap on Set Date and set the date manually from here. Just like that. Then tap on Set Time and set the time manually from here. Then tap on Done, or you can enable automatic date and time. And once you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically set the correct date and time based on your region. After that, just go back. And from here, just tap on Reset. And on this page, just tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and enter your lock screen PIN. Tap on Continue, then tap on Reset. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings of your smartphone. After that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but internet not working on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.